India after Jammu and Kashmir.
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma assured citizens of Byrnihat, a border town straddling Assam and Meghalaya, that the government is committed to addressing environmental concerns caused by industrial activities on both sides of the border. In the Assembly, Chief Minister stated that a letter had been sent to the Assam Chief Minister requesting a joint action plan with experts and officials from both states. He emphasized that the issue affects both Meghalaya and Assam and needs a collaborative approach. Sangma assured that the government will leave no stone unturned to minimize the environmental impact and resolve the issue effectively.
I also would like to add that recently I have written a letter which I had mentioned earlier also to this August House, to the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, flagging this very, very critical and important issue and requesting that a joint action plan be made in consultation with experts and the different officials from both sides, as Byrnihat being a border town where both sides are having industrial units of different categories, as mentioned in my statement that I have made.
Former Chief Minister and Leader of the Opposition, Dr. Mukul Sangma, has called for